Hi all, I'm Paul. Welcome to Start Waveski Surfing. Today I'm going to repair my wetsuit and I'm going to show you how I do that and you see how simple it is, and when you have a few tears in your wetsuit yourself, you know how to repair it. I'm going to use this urethane repair adhesive and sealant from Aquasure. You can find this kind of glue in many places. I got it from the local kayak and canoe shop, Arjan Bloem. But you can find it in surf shops, kayak shops, outdoor activities shops. Now this exact tube I already used before. I used it to repair my old wetsuit and I know it works perfect. I even had a cut in that wetsuit that went all the way through my wetsuit and I was able to repair it with this adhesive. Now the manual says that after opening and using you can save this glue in the freezer, but it has been 18 months ago since I first used this glue, so I'm about to find out if you can save that such a long time.